Hey babes, it's Chimere Trielle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I am so excited to have you here with me today. So today I'm going to be talking about the fact that Thanksgiving is right around the corner and I'm going to be eating whatever I want and you should too. I talk a lot on my channel about weight loss and weight maintenance, and honestly this time of year I get so excited to create content because I can resonate with women so much that used to feel so guilty after eating whatever they want during holidays, feeling so horrible after the fact, feeling like they have to go on this crazy diet so they can get themselves back in shape. And I'm telling you, I'm not that girl anymore. This is the time of year of celebration and happiness, and the last thing you need to be thinking about is how much food is on my plate. Am I going to gain weight? I can't eat whatever I want because I have to worry about how my clothes are going to fit after the fact. We're not worrying about that. There are two main focuses when it comes to Thanksgiving: eating and enjoying time with your family and friends. My philosophy and how I approach dieting is just completely different than what it used to be back in the day, and I realized that dieting is not sustainable and it's stressful. My goal is to inspire women to look and feel their best without the stress that may sometimes come behind it. And speaking of looking your best, I want to say a huge thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Ana Luisa has quickly become one of my favorite jewelry brands for so many reasons. One, let's start with the fact that they have these high quality designs at a very affordable price. These pieces are always so beautiful and unique to me. You're not going to find anything else like it on the market. You're not going to find any dupes. They are top tier and adding such a subtle but beautiful touch to any outfit that you're wearing. Let's add that our planet is already going through enough, and Ana Luisa is doing their due diligence by providing us with 100% carbon neutral packaging. Nowadays, I feel like it's so rare that I'm wearing regular clothes because I'm always in active wear, but when I wear my regular clothes and I want to be cute and I want to go out, I'm always reaching for my Ana Luisa. I'm not really a girl that wears loud, crazy jewelry, so this is perfect for me. You're getting cute, you're getting unique, and you're getting chic every single time. I'm so hype about this Black Friday because Ana Luisa is having some crazy deals on their products. You guys definitely have to hop on it. Just try Ana Luisa once and you will love them. If you're interested in giving Ana Luisa a try, I will leave all the information in the description box where you can find it. So when I first started my weight loss journey about 3 years ago, I talked a lot about it on my channel. And during that time, I engaged in a lot of food restriction all year round, even during the holidays. And I realized how unhappy I was and how unsustainable that is in the long run. First of all, I feel like we need to personally get rid of the word dieting altogether. There's nothing positive about that word. There's nothing sustainable about that word. When it comes to fitness and weight loss and dieting, why do you think that most New Year's resolutions don't go past the first month or two? Because it's hard and it's unsustainable. So with Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up, I really just want to give you guys some tips on what I do to eat whatever I want during the holiday season without feeling guilty about it, without gaining weight, without feeling like I have to put myself on a diet to get back on track. So number one, enjoy your meal. Seriously, enjoy your meal. But the minute that you are satisfied, stop eating. You want to fill up your entire plate with food, go for it. Sometimes our eyes get so much bigger than our stomach. The food looks good, it smells good. So we're going to indulge. But the problem is sometimes people just don't stop when they're satisfied. They also may feel because they picked it up, they have to eat every single thing that's on their plate. Even when I was growing up, for example, my grandmother would always say, take as much as you want, but if you take it, you better eat it. Obviously, it's no one's goal to waste food, but it doesn't mean that we can't save it for the next day, for the next evening. It doesn't mean that we have to eat it all right in that moment, because our bodies are smart. And in this case, our bodies will give us clear indications when it is full. The problem is we're not listening to it. I'm even guilty in the past of belching and then feeling like all of a sudden my stomach has a bit more space so that I can eat some more. But honestly, your body will tell you when you're full. We just have to listen to it. There's no reason for us to overeat to the point where it is uncomfortable and we can't even stand up straight after the fact. So the next thing is we want to make sure that we are properly hydrating. I know I talk about that all the time. Drink your water, drink your water, drink your water. But the problem is we are having a hard time deciphering when we are thirsty and when we are hungry. At any given time, 75% of people on this planet are dehydrated, and we are overcompensating that dehydration for eating more food. The receptors that translate hunger and thirst signals to the brain are very similar. So a lot of times we often get those signals confused. I feel like I say this so much, but it is so true. If you feel like you're hungry, let's just say, for example, at Thanksgiving, you eat and like 45 minutes later you feel like you're hungry again, try to drink some water. Try to hydrate yourself and see how you feel after that, because odds are you might just be really thirsty or dehydrated and you're confusing it for hunger. In addition, you always want to make sure you're hydrating yourself, just as a rule of thumb and a good habit, to make sure that you are flushing toxins out of your body. The more you're able to flush toxins out of your body, the more waste that your body isn't holding on to and the less weight gain that you'll see. And number 3, after you finish your meal, don't become a couch potato. Seriously, that is the worst thing you can do. I understand we had this awesome meal and now we feel like we have the itis, but honestly, if you can get up and move around for a couple of minutes, I recommend a good 15 minutes. Just move around a little bit. That way your body can properly process the food and digest it. I personally have just gotten in the habit of getting up and moving every hour for at least 7 minutes. I don't know why 7 minutes, that's just something that stuck with me, but every hour I'm moving around, so everything's just flowing in the body the way it's supposed to. So tying into that, you definitely don't want to eat and then lay down or go straight to sleep. Again, that's not allowing the body to properly digest your food. As a rule of thumb, try to wait at least 2 hours after eating your last meal before you head to bed. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys are able to take bits and pieces of what I've said today and just keep it in the back of your mind for when the holidays come, you engage in your food and you're enjoying your family and friends. Again, eat what you want, but just keep these things in mind. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. And thanks again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Remember, all the information for Ana Luisa will be in the description box below. Be sure to take advantage of these amazing Black Friday deals. You are not going to want to miss them. I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.